WPS, or Wi-Fi Protected Setup, is a feature designed to simplify connecting devices to your Wi-Fi network without needing to manually enter a password. On your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router, locating the WPS button is usually straightforward. It's typically a small, recessed button labeled WPS, found on the back or side of the router. Once located, to enable WPS, press and hold the button for 1 to 2 seconds. You'll know it's activated when the WPS LED light starts blinking. Some newer Spectrum routers also allow you to enable WPS through the My Spectrum app, offering remote activation without needing physical access to the router. Remember, WPS is only compatible with WPA2, WPA3 networks. Once WPS is enabled on your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router, pairing a device is simple. Start by pressing the WPS button on the router to activate pairing mode. On the device you want to connect, such as a smartphone, go to its Wi-Fi settings and select Connect to WPS or a similar option. The device and router will then automatically exchange credentials within about 2 minutes, completing the pairing process. However, be aware that WPS has known security vulnerabilities. Cybersecurity experts recommend disabling WPS unless absolutely necessary, as its PIN-based authentication can be susceptible to brute force attacks. For enhanced security, consider using alternatives like WPA3 or app-based pairing methods. Also, ensure your router's firmware is up to date with the latest security patches. Many routers now include automatic timeouts and PIN randomization to mitigate risks. For more secure pairing, consider zero-touch onboarding protocols with QR codes.